Hi friends, and welcome to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Krista and I recently started my small art business by opening my Etsy shop. And today we are unboxing a super exciting addition to my tools, Silhouette Portrait 4. So let's get into it. This machine actually took a while to get to me because the first time it was sent to me, it got lost in the mail. But the customer support was great and they sent another one using a different shipping company and I finally got it. This awesome little thing was actually a gift from my lovely partner for my birthday and I'm so thankful. He has been so supportive of my dreams and I don't think I would be where I am today without him. Anyways, I chose Silhouette instead of Cricut because of fellow artists' recommendations, and so far, so good. In the ads, they say that these are the most quiet machines they've got. I haven't owned Silhouette before, so I cannot really comment on that, but let's do a sound test, shall we? So, how was it? Better? Worse? Please let us know in the comments if you have any of the previous models. I would love to say that after my first test I didn't need to test anything else, but I would be lying. It actually took a very long time to me to get to a result that I was happy with, mostly because of the sticker papers. The cutting itself wasn't a problem, the machine works great. The first one I tried was this matte vinyl sticker paper from Lzerking. And even though the quality was great, it was so difficult to peel off, which is a deal breaker in my opinion. Then I tried the matte white vinyl from Evergreen goods, and even though it peeled off nicely, the quality was quite bad. If you can see here on the left is Evergreen and Lzerking is on the right, and I can definitely tell a difference. But in the end, I found this incredible sticker paper by HTVRont and it's definitely the winner. The quality is great, the stickers peel off easily and the paper is quite thick as well. So I made my book lover and cozy camping sticker sheets with this paper. I hope you have enjoyed this video and please let me know down below if you have any questions about Silhouette or the sticker papers. I plan to do a full review of the Portrait 4 in the future, so don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see that. And while you're down there, maybe like the video as well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!